Hey everyone, welcome back to Burnt and Delicious. Today we are making Ginger Soy Chicken Bites. Super easy, full of flavor, and perfect with rice. Let's get cooking. And that's it! Quick, golden and full of flavor. Perfect for a busy weeknight dinner. My favorite time when we are tasting our food. It's so juicy. Oh, it smells nice, like made on a barbecue, but it was made at home. I used smoked paprika. Let's try it. Amazing! I'm going to make some rice to enjoy this dish. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell me your favorite chicken dish in the comments. See you next time on Burnt and Delicious.